Hello friends, this is Shahzad and you are watching Shahzad Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Wi-Fi and cellular icon missing on iPhone after iOS 17 update. So guys, without wasting any time, let's start the video guys. There is many method to solve this issue. First is enable the airplane mode and after 10 to 15 seconds turn it off and go back and go to the control center, and here you can see Wi-Fi icon. Turn it off and turn it on back to fix your icon missing problem. If this solution is not working, then we move to another solution. Another is restart your device. For restarting, go to settings, scroll up and you can see general, tap on it. Here you can see many options. Scroll up and you can see shutdown, tap on it. Here you can see slide to power off. After sliding it, your device will be turned off. After 10 to 15 seconds, turn it on back to fix your problem. If this solution is not working, then we move to another solution. Another is reset the network settings. So go to settings, general, scroll up and you can see transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on it. Here you can see reset. Now you can see reset network settings. Tap on it. Enter your passcode. Enter the passcode and now you can see reset network settings. Turn it. Tap on it and reset the network settings to fix icon missing problem. So if all these solution is not working, then we move to another. Another is update your iOS update. So go to settings, general and software update. Tap on it. Checking for update. If you have any pending update, download and install it to fix your problem. So guys, I hope this video is helpful for you. If this video is helpful for you, then you subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.